Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Create an Apple ID. So, let's dive right in. Ensure you have an iOS device. Open the web browser on your device. Go to appleid.apple.com/account by typing it into the search bar and tapping Go. You'll be redirected to the Create Your Apple ID page. Fill in your details starting with your full name in the appropriate fields. Select your country or region and enter your birthday details. Provide your email address, which will become your new Apple ID. Make sure it's an email you actively use since Apple will send verification codes to this address. Create a strong password that includes at least 8 characters, a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Enter your phone number, making sure it's one you actively use since Apple will also send verification codes to this number. Carefully read the CAPTCHA characters and type them into the text box below. Once all information is filled in, tap Continue. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Enter this code on the Apple ID page for email verification and tap Next. You'll receive another verification code on your phone number. Enter this code on the Apple ID page for phone verification and then tap Next. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.